Okay mate, so come on up, keep your wheels in the same direction, perfect.
That's it, now a little bit of right down.
When challenging yourself and your Forby, it's all about balancing line selection and clearance. Then make sure you've got a spotter to help pick the best line and prevent damage to the undercarriage and sills of the vehicle.
Okay Wes, are you ready to roll mate?
I most certainly am. It's just feeling more precarious every second. On my count.
3, 2, 1, and all clear winching.
Okay, just accelerate a bit, Wes. Yep, perfect.
Jeez, that was a close one. As you can see from my dash cam, the roos are thick tonight. They are in plague proportion, folks, and this is what happens in these drought times. The roos come and they will go for any sort of green pick, and the best pick is often just off the side of the road. Obviously, you don't want to drive at night or at dusk. That tends to be when they come out, but sometimes you just can't help it and you have to make a mile.
That's it, just try and avoid this guy over there. And I think that will just about do it, mate. Perfect. When you are cruising across the desert and you don't want to hit someone at the top of those sand dunes, you want them to know exactly where you are. So we have these wonderful little signs here, and it's pretty simple. This is called a call point. So we're at call point 6 right now. So we would simply say on our CB radio on channel 10, everyone on the Simpson Desert should be running that same channel. Party of 3 heading westbound at call point 6, and then the other vehicles in the vicinity know which direction you're traveling and roughly how far away you are from them.
Just letting you know I'm on the handheld, mate. If you need any help, guidance.
Thanks, mate. Okay, hold on.
That's it, mate. Nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. Okay, just starting to grab the back track. Now it's lifting you up. Beautiful, and you have